When a woman becomes pregnant, her body undergoes hormonal changes, primarily influenced by two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. These hormonal shifts prepare the breasts for milk production. Shortly before childbirth, another hormone called prolactin, which is responsible for milk production, increases in the woman's body. After delivery, when the baby begins to suckle at the breast, it stimulates the nerves in the nipple and areola, sending signals to the brain. Within the breasts, there are small clusters of granular tissues called alveoli. These alveoli are responsible for producing milk. During pregnancy, under the influence of hormonal changes, these alveoli begin to multiply and enlarge. By the time the baby is born, the mother's breasts have around 150,000 alveoli in each breast. This is many times more than the number of alveoli that a non-pregnant woman has. Inside each alveolus, there are specialized cells called secretory cells or alveolar cells. These cells are the key players in milk production. They produce and secrete milk components such as proteins, fats, lactose, and immune factors.